नाज़रीन, एनसीसी के इजलास में पीएम मोदी खिताब कर रहे हैं, आपको सीधे लिए चलते।
These are the future of India and no less than anyone. The Gujarat Daman and Diu Directorate, led by Senior Under Officer Dharmik Ladwa. And the board marker, Corporal Patel Dia. And this is the contingent of the Jammu and Kashmir Directorate, led by Senior Under Officer Vipin Singh. The board marker, Junior Under Officer Akash Thakur.
And closely followed Jammu and Kashmir is the Karnataka Senior Under Officer Anup M. commanding the parade, and the board marker was Junior Under Officer Akash Thakur. Now it is Kerala and Lakshadweep. Cadet Mathu Varghese is the one, and that is Pilani Band. They have been coming and taking part in the Republic Day parade, and of course PM's rally in the last about more than quarter of a century. Pallavi Malik, Junior Under Officer Gauri Goel, and Cadet Nitin Pathak, they have given the lead. And closely follow that the Maharashtra Senior Under Officer Abhijit Patil is on the lead, and of course Senior Under Officer Mayur Kutte is holding the marker.
पूर्वोत्तर डायरेक्टरेट का ये दस्ता लीड कर रहे हैं सीनियर अंडर ऑफिसर आकाश दास और बोर्ड मार्कर है सार्जेंट पेरी लिंगवा।
Northeast, the Seven Sisters, and now this is Odisha. Senior Under Officer Ashish Panda is on the lead by express quality. Salute. Junior Under Officer Prakash Chester, marker, and they are followed by Kapurthala Band. Kapurthala Band was followed by Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh. They were the last year's champion. Senior Under Officer Shaksham is on the lead. And Junior Under Officer Vivek Kumar is the board marker Bihar. Next one is Rajasthan. J.O. Harish and S.U. Mukesh Chabla.